knowledge. Today we are going to see the basic information of algebra. So I have some more videos on algebra like substitutions, linear equations, simple equations and polynomials. With links of all videos are given in the description box. Let us see what is algebra. So algebra is a combination of variables, constants and some arithmetic operations like plus and minus. So algebra is a combination that means when we mix constants, variables and some arithmetic operations, we get the algebraic expressions or numerical terms. So to understand algebraic terms and numerical terms, we have to know what is a term. So there is an expression given like something like this. So how to identify a term from this? So this is known as term because it is not having an arithmetic operation and it is alone. It is not having any more terms beside it or with it. So the 2x is a term, 4x square is one more term, 7x square, y is one more term. So the terms kept together is known as an expression. An expression could at least consist more than two terms. So there are two types of terms like numerical term and algebraic term. So in numerical term there are no variables. In numerical term no variable. That means it is just a number. Only constants and arithmetic operations like 2 plus 3 divided by 7. This numerical term is a term in which we don't have any variables. That means it can even be expression, but here I wrote term because I'm just explaining for one term. Okay? So a term in which we have no variables is known as numerical terms. So we've known what is a term, what is a constant and what is a variable. So what is constant? Their values are fixed like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And variables, their values will never be constant and they will be always changing. So what is algebraic term? A term or an expression in which we have variables, constants and some arithmetic operations. For example, like 2x plus y square plus 1. So this is an algebraic term or expression because it is having some variables and some constants and some arithmetic operations like plus and minus. Remember, into symbol will never come separate the terms. It will else join the terms. So what is coefficient? So coefficient is something which is beside the variable like 2x. We are having the term 2x. The number which is beside the x, the variable x is 2. The number which is placed beside the variable is known as a coefficient. The number which has no variables beside it is known as constant and it is having fixed values that can even be integer. And what are variables? Their value will never be same. They will be always changing. Like sometimes you will be given the value y is equal to 2. In some other cases you will be given by the value y is equals to 4. So values of variables are not always same. So today we learned what is algebra, what are variables, what are constants, what are arithmetic operations, constants, variables, coefficients, numerical term, algebraic term. We learned. Now let us know how to find the degree of the given expression. So expressions, the terms are divided into 3 types. As I told you in my previous video of polynomials like monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial and polynomial. So binomial is a term in which we have two terms, is an expression in which we have two terms. A monomial is an expression in which we have only one term, and a trinomial is an expression in which we have 3 terms, and a polynomial have more than 3 terms is known as polynomial. So let us know how to find degrees. let us know how to find the degree of monomial first. So what is the degree of the given monomial? Here we are given with two variables and the value of one variable is given like 2, the power of x is 2, so it may be 2, and the value of y is not given anything, so we must consider it as 1. So the value and the degree of the given monomial is 3, because when we add the variable powers we get the degree. If we don't have the powers, the highest power of the given variables is the degree of the given expression. Now monomial, we completed monomial. Now let us know how to find the degree of a binomial. So this is a given expression in which we have two terms which is known as binomial. Let's find the degree. The degree of the first term is 2 because we have no values here, 1 and 1, 2. Here we are having 3 variables, so the degree is 3. The highest degree of the term is also known as degree. So this is 3. The degree of the given expression is 3 because we are having the second term which degree is more than the first term. So we must consider the second term degree as the degree of the expression. Let us see how to find the degree of a trinomial. So this is a trinomial which is having 3 terms. Let us know how to find the degree of a trinomial. Here we are given the value of y which is 2 and x value is 1. So the degree of this term is 3 and this is also 3 because we are having square on x and no value, so that we must consider 1, and this term is having the degree as 1. The highest degree is 3 because two terms are having same degree, so it should be considered as 3. So we learned how to find the degree of monomial, binomial and trinomial. That's it for today's video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos and watch all my previous videos. Links given in the description box.